So for this one, I ended up doing a double matte because I really liked the black behind the corally matte background. So I'm just going to glue that one down first. This happens to be color core, so it's different color on the other side. It's not going to affect how it looks on the front though. And you can see some of the cards, I put the panel on this side, sometimes I put them on this side. You could put it in the center if you want, but I like to keep a little bit of an area free to put a sentiment. Down a little bit, and then let's put this guy here. And really any of these cards could go with any sentiment. Like this one here, I turned it into a thank you card. You could absolutely do happy birthday, whatever you want. Let's grab the positioner so that we can stamp it in place. And this one and the last one I did it in black, but you could absolutely do one of the colors from the card image. There we go. Very pretty poppy card, and I just love the way the glitter glimmers off with the light.